Hello, Gucci's team. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone has been doing great. If you are just stopping by, my name is Anne Ndubeze, and you are very welcome to this kitchen. Guys, today I brought you this delicious cornbread recipe. I twisted this cornbread recipe to my desired flavor, and you know what? You are going to love it. So take a chilled drink or very chilled water, sit down and watch me share with you my recipe on this beautiful, mouth-watering cornbread recipe that your family will love. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. So this is my corn flour. I have about 4 to 5 cups, not 5 cups approximately, but about I have 5 cups of corn flour here. I'm going to go in and start adding other things. So I'll show you what I want to add here. I have my cornstarch. I'm going to add some cornstarch to this. Instead of flour, I'm going in with cornstarch. Here is my baking powder. Okay. And here is my sugar. So instead of flour, you can go in with cornstarch. Okay, so I choose to go in with cornstarch. So I've gone in with 1 cup of cornstarch. I'm going to go in with my baking powder. I choose to go in with some turmeric. This is optional. You can decide not to, but for me, I decide to go in with some turmeric powder. Okay. I'm going to add this little bit. I'm going to go in with my sugar. This is just a cup of sugar. I'm going to go in with just a pinch of salt. Now you want to mix everything in so you can get that beautiful color. I want to make a sizzling cornbread recipe. That is what I want to make. Very delicious, very sumptuous. Mix everything together and make sure it is well incorporated. All right, we're going to set this aside so that we can mix our egg and the buttermilk together. So in this bowl, I'm going to mix my wet ingredients. First of all, I want to go in with my egg. I'm going in with 4 eggs. You can choose to add your buttermilk first. Whatever you want to do is fine, okay? So here is my buttermilk. I've gone in with 2 cups. I'll go in with 2 cups first. This is 2 cups measurement. I'm going in with another 2 cups, which is 4 cups. I'll make it 6 cups. I want this very fluffy and very, very delicious. Trust me, guys, you are going to enjoy this recipe. I have cornbread recipe on my channel. Go and look it up. I just feel like I want to make another one. So I like to go in with coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and melt my butter together with the coconut oil. You can do whatever you choose. So go ahead and melt your butter and your coconut oil. If you like to go in with coconut oil, that's fine. If not, just go ahead and melt your butter. We are going to add this to our milk and then we mix all together. Go in with your butter and your coconut oil like so. You do not really need to add coconut oil, but you guys know how I love coconut oil in my food. Get your whisk and whisk all of this together. Just make sure you whisk until everything is well incorporated. Just go ahead like so. I think we are good to go, guys. Yep. We are going to add this. So set this aside. Bring back your cornbread flour, and now we're going to be adding this as we whisk. We are just going to be adding one step at a time. We're going to mix, add, mix it, add. That's just what we're going to be doing until we get the consistency we are going for. Okay. Just keep mixing. Yeah, we are going to add this to the pot. For your cast iron pot, make sure you allow it to cook on the stove top, or you put it in your oven. Make sure it's very hot before you add your corn mixture. Okay, I'm going to add this into the cast iron pot because it's very hot. I'm going to add it in like so. You guys, look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful this cornbread is looking. I'm going to put it in the oven. Guys, I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 1 hour, 30 minutes. Stay tuned, guys, and let's see how this delicious will come. My kitchen smells so divine, guys. We are going to check. We are going to check. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Whoops. Woo, look at that. Woo, guys, look at that. Look at this cornbread recipe. Oh my goodness. Woo, this is ready. Look at that. Once you do this, it tells you if it's ready or not. This is ready. Oh my God. Woo, guys, this is so beautiful. I'm going to allow it to cool up. We can now cut in. Are you giving this video a massive thumbs up already? Guys, look at this cornbread. I couldn't exercise patience. I have to just cut in. I couldn't wait to taste this cornbread recipe. So sweet. To me, it's just looking like a sponge cake. Like very beautiful. Like I always tell you, there are several ways to eat healthy with how you prepare your meals. Can your cornbread ever? Look at that. Very fluffy. Drop in the comment section if you're going to try this. I told you guys, I wanted a fluffy cornbread. Look at that. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. I couldn't wait to cut in. Look at that. Stay healthy, eat healthy this year. I hope you're going to try this, guys. Try this. Your family will love it. If you like to eat healthy meals, I'm going to show you so many things you can do. This is so fluffy. So moist. So, oh my goodness, look at that. Please try good things. This is a banger recipe for cornbread. This is so good. The turmeric gave it a fantastic color. This is so beautiful. Everyone is going to enjoy this recipe, trust me. Just go ahead and cut it into any size of your choice. Just put it in the Ziploc and put it in the fridge so your family can just enjoy this with tea. They can just enjoy this with any drink of their choice. And honestly, they are going to always say, thank you, mommy, for doing this. Thank you, auntie. Thank you, wifey. Your hubby will love it. Your children will enjoy it. For me, cornbread is very delicious, and my husband loves cornbread a lot. So I decided not to just make cornbread like the regular cornbread in the store. I decided to give it a twist just to make sure we eat healthy. Trust me, turmeric is one very healthy medicine. I call it medicine that you can add to any food and you will be very sure that you are eating healthy. So friends, thank you for stopping by to watch. I am very grateful. Please do me well to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Like and share to your family, friends and loved ones. This video is going to be very helpful. This can be useful for snack for children going to school. This can be very useful for you just having snack at home to present to your guests whenever they come in. Thank you all so very much. If you're health conscious, stick with this channel. You are going to eat a lot of healthy meals. Gucci team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Thank you all. Ciao, ciao.